Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video, we'll show you what comes in the box with the Kestrel Drop D3 wireless temperature, humidity and pressure data logger. The Kestrel Drop D3 is designed to monitor and record a full suite of environmental conditions, including temperature, humidity, heat index, dew point temperature, station pressure, density altitude and pressure trend in a variety of indoor, outdoor and industrial applications. Kestrel drops are ideal for monitoring conditions in manufacturing, transportation and shipping, facilities management, agriculture, firefighting, as well as recreational and in-home use. What's more, you can view your data wirelessly via Bluetooth on your phone or tablet with the free Kestrel Link app. In the box there's a Kestrel sticker, a California Proposition 65 warning, a certificate of conformity, a quick start guide, and the Kestrel Drop D3. Features of the Drop D3 include a ring on the top for clipping or hanging the sensor, the temperature sensor, LED indicator, status button, humidity sensor, and on the back is the battery compartment with a pre-installed user-replaceable CR2032 coin cell battery. For more information on the Kestrel Drop D3, including a video walkthrough of how to set up and connect to the Kestrel Link app, see the additional links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!